Hello students, in this video we are discuss about 11th standard computer science chapter 3 topic computer organization. What is computer organization? Computer organization deals with the hardware components of a computer system. Computer organization deals with what? Hardware components. Hardware components means input output devices, central processing unit, storage devices and primary memory. That's a hardware components. Okay, so computer organization deals with the hardware components of a computer system. Deals with the hardware components of a computer system. Next one, computer architecture. Computer architecture deals with the engineering consideration involved in designing a computer. Okay, computer organization deals with the hardware components, but another topic is computer architecture. It deals with the engineering consideration involved in designing computer. Engineering consideration involved in what? Designing a computer. Designing a computer is known as computer architecture. Okay. Another topic, basics of microprocessor. Okay, the CPU is the major components of a computer. The CPU is the major component. CPU, what is the major components of a computer? CPU, which perform all tasks. It perform all of the tasks of a computer. This is released by the microprocessor. It is an integrated circuit. This CPU released by the microprocessor is an what? Integrated circuit. Microprocessor is an integrated circuit. Okay, microprocessors were first introduced in early 1970. Which year introduced in microprocessor? 1970s. The first general purpose microprocessor 4004 was developed by Intel Inc. Okay, Intel company introduced the first microprocessor. The name is 4004 microprocessor. Okay, so microprocessor, the CPU is the major components of a computer. It perform all of the tasks. It is the CPU released by the microprocessor. Microprocessor is an integrated circuit. First microprocessor is microprocessor 404. Which year introduced? 1970s. Who is the developer of first microprocessor? Intel Inc. Okay. The microprocessor is a programmable multi-purpose silicon chip. Programmable multi-purpose silicon chip. The silicon chip is a microprocessor. Okay. But it is programmable multi-purpose in use. Okay. The silicon chip considered programmable and it can be programmable. What is the use? Multi-purpose use. Okay, it is driven by clock pulses. It accepts input as a binary data and after processing, it provides the output data as per the instructions stored in the memory. It accepts the input data after processing and providing the output and store in a memory. Okay, a block diagram of a microprocessor. This is the block diagram of microprocessor. Input, microprocessor output and store the memory. Okay, accept the data from input devices, anyone input devices, and a microprocessor processing the data. Next, given the output is stored in memories. Okay, so this is the block diagram of microprocessor. The microprocessor is made up of three main units. Microprocessor is made up of what? How many units? Three main units. First one, arithmetic logic unit. Second one, control unit. Third one, register or internal memory. Okay, arithmetic and logic unit are ALU to perform arithmetic and logical instruction based on computer instruction. Okay, what is the use of arithmetic and logic unit? It perform arithmetic and logic instruction. Okay, next, another unit is control unit. To control the overall operations of the computer through signals. It control the overall operation. To control all the operations. Okay, control overall operations. So, next of the computer through what? Signals. Control overall operations through signals. Okay, so this is the control unit. Next one, register or internal memory. They are used to hold the instruction and data for the execution for the processor. They are used to hold the instruction and data, save the instruction and data. So this is the main components of a microprocessor. Next topic, characteristics of microprocessor. What are the characteristics available in microprocessor? Microprocessor perform depends on the following characteristics. First one, clock speed. Second one, instruction set. Third one, word size. So this is the characteristics of microprocessor. What is clock speed? First, clock speed. Okay. Every microprocessor has an internal clock that regulates the speed at which is execute and instruction. Every microprocessor has an internal clock that regulate the speed, that execute the instruction, execution time, execution speed time, that regulate execution speed time. Okay, so the speed at which the microprocessor execute instruction is called the clock speed. Next, the clock speed is measured in megahertz or gigahertz. The clock speed is measured in megahertz and gigahertz. Okay, so this is the clock speed. Another characteristic is instruction set. Okay, a command which is given to a computer to perform an operation on data is called an instruction. What is instruction? The command which is given to a computer. Computer given the command to perform. What is the purpose? To perform an operation on data is called an instruction. The command which is given to a computer to perform an operation on data is called instruction. Basic set of machine level instruction that a microprocessor is designed to execute is called an instruction set. Okay, this instruction set carries out the following types of operations. The instruction set carries out of the following operations. What are the operations carry the instruction set? Data transfer, arithmetic operation, logical operation, control flow, input and output operations. Data transfer, arithmetic operation, logical operations, control flow and output operations. Okay, next characteristics is word size. What is word size? The number of bits that can be processed by a processor in a single instruction is called its word size. The number of bits that can be processed by a processor. How many bits processed by a processor? The number of bits that can be processed by a processor in a single instruction. A single instruction, consider how many number of bits is known as word size. Okay, word size determines the amount of RAM that can be accessed by a microprocessor. Word size determines the amount of RAM that can be accessed by microprocessor. Okay, this is the characteristics of microprocessor.